41 days, I was able to do $70,078 in affiliate commissions. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the programs I've used, exactly the affiliate marketing funnel, and exactly everything that went into this campaign. And I did this with free traffic, by the way. So if you're interested in learning about this, stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you, I'm going to be logging in live into my accounts, and you're going to see exactly what went into this campaign and what type of commissions it was able to generate, not just for myself, but also if you're interested in implementing this exact campaign in your affiliate marketing business, I want to show you some of the results that my members have been getting. So when you join my team, you're going to know, okay, what's possible if I join David's team? And you can do so, by the way, by clicking on the link below. How's it going? This is David. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon, because tomorrow night on Monday, today's Sundays, I'm recording this. Tomorrow night, I'm going to be announcing 7 different winners of a giveaway that I'm running for a 3-night hotel stay in Miami. And you can actually enter this giveaway if you just leave a comment down below with the word Miami, if you're watching this on YouTube. And also hit the like and make sure to subscribe. And in the comment, you can actually enter the giveaway with your name. So now let's dive into it. Let me just show you let's go straight into the account. So the first program that I'm using is called E1U Life. And I started promoting this exactly on September 19 this year, 2022, as you can see. So take a look. So if I scroll down, let's actually refresh. There's maybe something new came in. If I scroll down, so far I've been able to do $42,700, and this is exactly in 41 days, because if you calculate from September 19 to today, which is October 30th, that's exactly 41 days. So this is already impressive as it is. But here's the thing, with this affiliate marketing campaign that I've set up, these are actually just some of the commissions that came in. Let me actually show you what other commissions came in. If we jump here to my shopping cart, and let me just refresh this, maybe something new came in. As you can see, look at the dates right here while it's loading. September 19 to October 30th. And as you can see, an additional $27,378 came in. So if you add these two up, if we scroll here to the calculator app, if you do the math, that is $42,700 plus an additional $27,378. That is a total of $70,078 in 41 days with one affiliate marketing campaign. You can actually get this exact campaign when you click on the link just below this video. You're going to see a link that will take you to, there's actually 3 steps to making this work. Once you click it, step number 1 is you want to watch the webinar, because I explain exactly how to get set up, how to do everything. Step number 2 is you want to get set up with your income streams, essentially. So there's a level called Vertex Live in the program that we're promoting in E1U Life. And this is actually the level that allows you to earn big $2,000 commissions that you can earn with this program. So you want to come in at Vertex Live. And step number 3 is to follow the exact traffic way that I show you to get traffic. And I even help you get traffic by giving you my YouTube videos, the same videos that have been generating me sales, and you can actually leverage them on your own. Now, if you're curious, okay, David, it's great that it's working for you, but how is it working for members? Well, let's take a look. This is the E1U Life leaderboard, and there's literally thousands of affiliates in this program. And take a look at this. Let me just move the screen over here. Take a look at this. So here's the top 10 people, as you can see, in the whole program. There's thousands of affiliates. Here are the top 10 people. There's me right there. Here's Miles, another member using my marketing campaign. Here's Garrett, another member using my marketing campaign. Here's Simon, another member using my marketing campaign. All of these guys are using my exact marketing campaign. Here's Beaky, here's Jeff, here's Tim. And literally, except for one person, everybody on this leaderboard is using my exact marketing campaign. So let me ask you this. If you're interested in generating results online, does it make sense for you to grab a campaign that's already working, already producing results, already generating commissions on a daily basis? Or would you rather go and do your own thing? That's I guess, a question for you that you have to answer for yourself. Because with my campaign, when you join my team by clicking on the link below, You watch the webinar, you get yourself on the Vertex Live program, which gives you the ability to earn these big $2,000 commissions. You get a custom website with it, you get a logo, you get a whole bunch of stuff with that program, which I'm not going to get into in this video because that's what the webinar is for. But essentially what happens is I also hook you up with the exact campaign that we use, that I've built to generate this. Because when you become a team member, what happens is I give you this stuff. I don't just leave you on your own to go figure this stuff out by yourself. I give you the campaign. I give you the exact videos that I'm using, the video ads that I'm putting out there, so you can use them yourself. I give you the ability to leverage my bonuses as well, the bonuses that I'm actually going to be hooking you up with. You're going to be able to use those. So when people go through your link, they'll be able to be enticed to, okay, I'm getting all these bonuses. This makes sense for me to sign up. You're going to be able to use the members there area that I've already set up, the pages, everything. The whole thing is included. The email follow-up, which has, last time I checked, over 140 emails in it. So unless you're willing to roll up your sleeves and create all of that, all you need to do with this is click the link below. Step 1, watch the webinar. Step 2, get set up with, remember these 2 words, very, very important. Vertex Live, Vertex Live. Make sure to get yourself an account on the Vertex Live level, because that's the level that gives you the most amount of stuff, including the ability to resell the program and keep 100% of the commissions. So check this out. Let me actually jump into the Facebook group here and show you what's been happening, what members have been able to do with this program. So let's go here. As you can see here, I do the work. You are the one that gets to keep all the commissions because I've already built this campaign. All you need to do again is those 3 steps. Step 1, click the link below. Step 2, get yourself on the Vertex Live, get set up on the Vertex Live. And step 3 is follow the exact way that I show you to send traffic, including I give you my video ads. You can use those. I'm going to show you how to get free traffic from social media. You can use that. And basically, this is the best traffic sources that are working right now, literally right now. Actually, let me show you something. We're going to jump straight into my email over here. And as you can see, this is a commission that came in at 5 in the morning. It's a $2,000 Vertex Live commission. And what I want to do now is I actually want to log into E1U Life and show you right inside the members area exactly where this commission came from. So just for privacy purposes, I'm just going to pause the screen for just a second because obviously I don't want to reveal people's names and stuff. But just give me a second, I'll show you exactly. Okay, here we go. So I'm under the referrals section right now, as you can see right here. And take a look at this. So if I scroll over, you can see that today, this is the commission that came in. This is the $2,000 commission that came in. And as you can see, it's tagged over here with the word newsfeed. Newsfeed. This is the Facebook newsfeed that I'm using to generate completely free leads. Totally free leads. There's a way to do it, okay? Maybe you're using social media right now, but my question to you is, are you actually getting paid to use social media? You're probably sitting on social media, you're replying to people, you're hitting like on stuff, people are hitting like on your stuff, but are you getting paid from it? What if there was a way that you could actually leverage social media in a way that it would generate you leads for whatever business you're promoting, especially this program, because social media plus this affiliate marketing campaign works great. It's like a match made in heaven. So I want to show you exactly how to do it, how you can do it with completely free traffic. On top of that, you could also use other social media platforms, because the training that I'm going to give you, it's a click-by-click, step-by-step, what to do, what to post, everything, including some ads that I already give you. So you don't even need to be creative or anything. You just literally copy and paste, copy and paste. Just follow the instructions. As long as you do it consistently and you're just sending traffic to your affiliate link every day, then you'll basically be doing what people who are successful with this program are doing. So now let's jump back in here, because there's more ways. As you can see, the sources of my traffic is, I'm leveraging a lot of ways to generate free traffic. Giveaway. This is something that I'm actually going to be introducing very soon. Something that I've been testing that's been working pretty well. And here's YouTube videos that I'm using. So I'm giving you literally all of these ads. I'm going to give it to you so you can actually start leveraging it in your affiliate marketing business. Now, let me preface this by saying this. My results are not typical. My members' results are not typical. We don't do typical things in our business. If you're consider yourself to be somebody who does typical things, then this is probably not gonna work for you, because the typical person, what they do is they watch a video like this and they're like, oh, that was nice, and then they do nothing. So if you're not willing to do the few things per day that I show you how to do, then this is probably not for you. But if you're interested in earning really big commissions that could literally make a big splash in your bank account or make a big splash in your financial situation, then this is the place to be. And again, you want to just click the link below. Now, let me jump back into the Facebook group here. As you can see, guys, I'm not, this is not some secret traffic source that I'm using that I'm not going to let you know what it is. I show you what this is because, again, I do the work. You are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. But all you need to do is send a little bit of traffic every day to the affiliate link that I show you. Now, check this out. Yesterday, and a member by the name of Birdie, as you can see, you saw him on the leaderboard just a little while ago when I was going through the leaderboard, top 10 people. He's using my marketing campaign. As you can see, he made $300 yesterday, but just leveraging my marketing campaign. As you can see, it says income stream 2. The reason it says income stream 2 is because there's multiple income streams. There's actually multiple ways that you can earn commissions with this program. Let's scroll down. Check out Miles. Miles is right on the leaderboard, right there with me. As you can see, it says, people say money isn't everything. Well, it's a start. Yesterday, $2,000, another $2,000 today, and this marketing machine just won't stop. I actually ran out of room on the page. Look at this. Look at how many commissions he was able to get. Look, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000. I mean, all of this in a span of what, like a week? I mean, it's insane. He even had a $7,000, I believe, in 48 hours or 24 hours or something insane like that. Like, it's pretty crazy. And as you can see, me and him have been playing musical chairs on the leaderboard. I go to the first spot, he goes to the second, then he goes to the first spot, I go to the second, and it just goes on and on like this. But it's fun to see that, look, he proved that even though he's using my marketing campaign, there is no reason for you not to get on the first spot of the leaderboard. That doesn't mean because it's my campaign, I'm supposed to get better results than you. Obviously, I'm using my own campaign. Why wouldn't I? But if you use the same campaign that everybody here is using, you could get to the number one spot too if you send enough traffic and do exactly what I show you. Let's keep going here. Paulo made another $2,000 while he was sleeping on Friday. And I could keep going and going and going. It's absolutely insane. I had a $2,600 day the other day, as you can see right there. And again, all the leaderboard spots, 9 out of the 10 leaderboard spots, by the way, are people using this program. Here's Garrett. He's also on the leaderboard. As you can see, he was on his way to do a Muay Thai training, and he got himself a $2,000 commission. Check this out, $2,000. And he's literally with his hands wrapped and stuff on the way to do a training session. Nathaniel, also $2,000, made that before he even rolled out of bed. I mean, it's absolutely incredible, guys. I could keep going and going and going, but I'm literally gonna run out of battery on my phone if I continue showing you all the different testimonials and stuff. So here's what to do now. Step 1, click the link just below here so you can grab this affiliate marketing campaign and go watch the webinar. The webinar will explain exactly how this works, and you're going to understand exactly what are the secrets that make this work. One of the other things that I give you once you get set up with, which is step 2, Vertex Live, is I give you not only my videos, not only some actual traffic that already goes to your affiliate link for a special deal that I've negotiated, but I also give you a secret software, which I'm not going to talk about in this video because I don't want this thing to be too public. But when you click the link below and go watch it, you'll see what it is. And you'll understand why it's so powerful and why it's been helping me get so many sales. So click the link below, go watch it, get yourself on Vertex Live. That's step number 2. And step 3, start sending traffic to your affiliate marketing campaign. It's your business. The campaign clearly works. It doesn't matter who's using it. The trick is to get it to be consistent where you're sending traffic every single day. Imagine if I literally handed you over a key to a store. All you need to do is make sure that a few people come in every day, and then the store basically takes care of everything else. So I do the follow-up. I take people through the webinar. I do all the videos. I do all that stuff, the pages, the members area, everything that needs to be there, the bonuses. Your job is very simple. Number one, click the link below. Number two, get yourself on Vertex Live. Number three, make sure you're sending consistent traffic every day with the resources that I give you and exactly the way I show you. If you can do that, you're well on your way to a very, very good affiliate marketing business. If you've been not having the success you want until now, one campaign is all you need to potentially make thousands of dollars per day. And this campaign has proven it. I'm already over 70 grand in 41 days. 41 days. So go ahead, follow the 3 steps, click the link below, get yourself on Vertex Live, join my team. Join my team, my personal team, by clicking the link below, and let me help you get started and hook you up with all the bonuses so you know exactly what you need to do and you're exactly on your way to a successful and a campaign that just works. It just works and works and works. The commission that came in this morning, I actually went to bed last night at like 9 p.m. because I was so tired. But the affiliate marketing campaign didn't go to sleep. This commission came in at like 5 in the morning. How would you like a completely automated campaign to do the work essentially on your behalf? Just send some traffic and let it do everything else. So go ahead, follow the steps, and I'll see you on the inside. And also don't forget about the giveaway, 3 nights in a luxurious hotel stay in Miami. Click the link below and make sure to enter the giveaway too. Don't miss out on that. And attend the live stream tomorrow. That's one of the things that I do for pretty much the people that are on my team. You can come out, ask me any question you want, whatever is on your mind, just traffic related, campaign related, affiliate marketing related. Come hang out. I'm there answering your questions. And that's where I'm also going to be announcing all the winners. So with that being said, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Go ahead, get started right now, and I'll see you on the inside and tomorrow on the live stream. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.